Hello, Mr. Ryan, can you hear me okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, awesome. Well, my name is Alexis. Thanks for taking the time to meet with me via Zoom. Really quick, let me just go ahead and show you my license. Okay, you can go ahead and take a picture of that as well. This is my license number right here, the 2530553. You can find me at the Texas Department of Insurance at Agent Lookup. Put in that number right there, and then my full name will pop up, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, awesome. And then just to make it clear, I'm not from your lender. You're with United Wholesale Mortgage with the amount of $189,150.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. I'm not with them. They personally cannot provide the mortgage protection coverage. So we're liaison with all the mortgage lending companies in Texas. That's why they partner with us to provide the mortgage protection for all of you guys, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So is this your first time buying a home?
Yes, ma'am. This is my very first time. Me and my single dad. I just got my daughter her own bedroom finally, and this is my first time. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's exciting. Congratulations. That's awesome.
Thank you.
So are you pretty familiar with the process, or you may kind of go over how this all works for you?
I don't know anything.
Okay. That's perfectly fine. I'll give you the quick version, okay? So whenever you closed on your home, did you put down less than 20% or more?
Less than 20%.
Less than 20. Okay. So whenever you put down less than 20%, you're required to own the PMI, which is the personal mortgage insurance, and that's what protects the lender and the bank if you default on your payment. However, it does nothing for you and your daughter. Okay. But what we do at the mortgage protection, it essentially does the exact same thing. However, if something were to happen to you, if you default on your payment, you have any kind of major accident or illness, or a lot like life insurance, you pass away, this will pay off a big portion of the home or the remainder of the loan, whichever you choose. So I'm going to ask you really about 2 minutes worth of personal questions, 2 minutes worth of health questions, see exactly what you need, what you will qualify for, and then I'll go over all the benefits and we'll submit an application today, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Sounds good. I appreciate it.
Awesome. And then just stop me if you have any questions.
Okay.
Okay. So this is my company, Family First Life. We're actually a broker, and we represent all of these companies right here, which you already know of, I'm sure, like Mutual of Omaha, John Hancock, AIG, Gerber. You've heard of these before, right?
Yes, ma'am. Some of them.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Of course, we do mortgage protection, life insurance, future income planning. Of course, today we're going to take care of the mortgage protection. Okay. So, Ryan, what is your mortgage payment?
$1,835.
Okay, very good. And then did you get the 15, 20, or 30-year term?
30-year term.
30-year?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, awesome. And then do you plan on paying extra towards the mortgage to pay off your loan early in the first year?
I would like to, but as of now, no.
Okay, no worries. So we have here you're 46 today, and then what is your current occupation?
I'm a bartender.
Bartender, okay. Where at?
Papacitos.
Man, I might need to come see you over there. Okay, that's cool. What's your monthly income net?
I would say around 6K.
6K, okay. And then are you currently taking any medications prescribed?
I have an inhaler, no medications because I have asthma, that's all.
Okay, and then are you smoker or non-smoker?
Non-smoker.
Non-smoker, very good. Any history of surgeries for you or your family in the past?
I've never had surgery, but some of my family members have had some surgery before.
Okay. Is it kind of like anything major or just kind of
No, nothing major.
Okay. And then just really quick, we'll go through these real fast. So no heart attack, stroke, cancer, stents, diabetes, neuropathy, high blood pressure, lupus. You do have asthma, COPD, thyroid, anxiety, depression, kidney or liver disease.
No, ma'am, none of those.
No? Okay, very good. And then what do you have to offset the cost of the mortgage if you were to die beforehand? Any kind of major 401ks, IRAs, stocks, bonds, things like that?
My very small savings account.
Okay, that's a start. That's good.
Yeah.
And then do they offer you life insurance at work being a bartender?
No, ma'am.
No? And then how much do you own privately outside of work?
Nothing really, no.
Nothing? Okay, we can look at that too, see if we can bundle something for you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And then lastly, do you have a will?
No.
No? Okay. We give those out for free as well, so I'll go ahead and email you a copy for you and your daughter, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, perfect here. Okay. So how this works, and if you're taking notes, Ryan, all the mortgage protection policies, they're going to come with 3 major living benefits. So the first one being a terminal illness benefit. So what this means is if God forbid something were to happen to you, like you go to the doctor tomorrow and they tell you, hey, Ryan, you have less than 12 months to live or 18 months to live, what's going to happen is the full amount of the $189,000 you have for your loan, it'll come into the home, pay out to you and your daughter to kind of figure out what you're going to do with your life, job, just your situation in general, you know, being sick. Benefit number 2, it's going to be for a chronic illness. So this would be something more severe, maybe like you have a heart attack or a stroke, cancer, something more life-threatening. Same thing, the full amount of your loan will pay into the home to figure out if you're going to pay off the home, maybe downsize or whatever you want to do. That's completely up to you. As well, the third benefit being a critical injury. So this is a lot like disability, or if you cannot perform 2 of the 6 daily living activities, like bathing, dressing yourself, eating, continence, transferring, things like that. And then a lot like life insurance, if you just flat out pass away, whether that be accidental, natural causes, COVID, whatever the case is, it'll pay out the home as well.
Okay, so I don't have to pass away for these benefits to kick in. So
Correct.
If I were to break a leg, wouldn't be able to work, I'd be able to, this insurance will help me pay my mortgage so me and my daughter can have somewhere to stay.
Correct. So it would, if it was something more, you know, minor, like breaking a leg, I mean, it wouldn't really pay up. But it's something more severe, like I was saying, maybe more life-threatening, chronic, so you have cancer, something more severe. And the good thing is they're going to send you a list of everything that'll qualify for the payout as well. So we'll get that out to you too. That'll be with your policy. So, okay, look here. Okay, so I went ahead and done the research for you already with all the different companies. They're giving you about 2 different options right now. They're both super good options. The only main difference is one of them is an ROP policy, meaning return of premium, and the other one is just a basic term. So we'll call it the basic and the gold plan. They both cover the full amount of your mortgage for the $189,000, as well as all those living benefits I went over with you. The ROP, that's a few bucks more a month, and all that does is, obviously we're assuming since you're super young, nothing will happen to you from now until the 30 years is over for your home. And all that money you've been paying into it, what will happen is you'll get everything back in a check, return of premium.
Okay.
So it's really about which one works best. So for the basic plan here with Mutual of Omaha, the 30 years, that's only $191 a month. And then if you want to do a little bit more for yourself and your daughter with the ROP plan, that's right at $313 a month. So the process is super simple. We'll just go ahead and submit an application with whatever one's more comfortable with you today. And then we got to see if you're approved. And then when and if you're approved, then the contributions will start.
I have a question. So if I start off at the basic, maybe 6 months from now, if I want to upgrade to the premium, can I do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's
So
a good question.
I'm leaning towards the basic right now.
Okay. Okay, awesome. So, of course, we got to make sure you'll qualify as well. Based on what you're telling me, it seems like you'll qualify. So we'll go ahead and submit the application now. Do you have any other questions?
No, ma'am. You've been explaining it pretty good. I appreciate it.
Okay, awesome. Okay, perfect. Here we go. I'll send your driver's license and we'll get this taken care of for you.
I'll send that over.
Okay, and that's basically it.